Today, we're going to look at how to use our desmos calculator for squares and other exponents, not just squares, but other exponents too. So let's say we have 4 squared. Well, if we wanted to use our desmos calculator, we could go to our Schoology page, go to where it says desmos calculator, because guess what? This one takes us directly to the Texas version. Now, when we're there, we want the calculator. So I'm going to pull up the little keyboard down here at the bottom left-hand corner. Now I have my keyboard, and my original problem said 4 squared. So I would have typed in 4, and then I could have done the AB right here where it says, if I wanted to square it, it automatically says squared. That's fine. I could do that one. And it gives me the answer. So 4 times 4 is 16. Fine, fair enough. Let's look at another one. How about 6 to the 4th? So I go to my desmos calculator. I'm going to hit enter. So I have another one. So now this one, though, I don't want the squared sign. I could go in and have to back it all out, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to do 6, and this time I'm going to choose the a to the power of b. It's because it gives me now a cursor up top with the caret, and it was, is that the right number? Let's go back. 6 to the 4th. So I'm going to type in 4. Whoops, back it out. Delete, delete. Now, squared 6 to the 4th. And it's 1,296. Okay, so that's how we can do that. Once again, that was the a to the power of b. So if I wanted 5 to the 9th, there would be my answer. Okay. Let's look at some ideas. If we had an exponent of a half. So now I have 48 to the power of a half, or an exponent to a half. Let's see what happens with that. So I'm going to put in 48, a to the power of b, and now I want to do a half. So I can do 1 divided by 2. That gives me the half. And my answer is 6.92820323028. And I'm sure it carries on that that's just as many digits as the calculator will give me. Okay. So the exponent, when we squared it, when it was a whole number, the number got bigger. Because like anything, multiplying by another whole number makes a number larger. This time we're doing it by a fractional part. So this is the square root. Now let's try something. Let me show you what's happening. You see how 48 to the half went to 6.9? So it went smaller. What if we did 36? Whoops, no, back that out. Gotta hit enter. Now let's do 36, a to the power of b, and I want 1/2. Wow, look what happened to that. That is the square root, isn't it? So 36 to the power of half is the same as doing the square root. So if we did that with 100 to the power 1/2, your answer is 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. So the fractional part is a square. So that would be that this, remember when we did perfect and non-perfect squares last year? That is why you need to know that this is between the perfect square of 6 and the perfect square of 7, because the perfect square of 7 would be 49. And look, 6.9 is close to 7. 7 squared would have been the 49. So the big thing for today was for you to realize, let's go to one more, make sure I've hit everything. The big thing for today is for you to realize how to use the calculator. And what if we have it in the parentheses outside? That's just bring it inside to the whole number. So 324 to the power of a half. Let's do that one. 324 to the power of 1/2. And we got it's 18. We could also do this for other, it doesn't have to be a half. Let's say we had it for 324, but the power is 1/3. And there's your difference. Okay? So the big idea today is how to use the calculator when you want to square something and it's a fraction. You're going to use this little a to the b power.